What's going on, y'all? Welcome to episode 3 of 1.9K all the way to 50K. We are on the live account. Um, y'all see the balance is at $1,776 yesterday. Right now, yesterday we lost $120, and then they took out some fees, from entering the contracts and everything like that. So going into today, I'm relatively bullish. I do want to see a price run higher only because we already ran sales high and we're running lower. So I don't want to take a short so low in price. So I'm going to be looking for longs, and if I can't get a long, then I won't be trading today. So yeah, that's really it. And whenever we do take a trade, I'm going to skip it to that part. I'm not gonna have y'all just sit here and watch me wait for a trade. So whenever we take a trade, I'll show y'all that, and then we can get this day started. You know what I'm saying? Enjoy. All right, y'all, just went long. We traded inside this fair value gap, and I was thinking that I wanted to go long here, but I wanted to wait and see if we come break this high. So once we broke this high, I went long at this order block right here, and I'm expecting that order block to hold price. So stop loss goes under the order block, and we see if we can get a run back up to this high right here. We delete that real quick. Boom. Oh, let me make sure y'all can see. Y'all can see. All right, great. Great. So we did get some great displacement starting off with this trade. If we can inverse this fair value gap here. Small inefficiency right there. Okay. I'm also trading my funded account as well. So I just pyramided on my funded. Let's see. Price is respecting that inversion fair value gap nicely. I like to see that. It's about to be at 10 o'clock in about 40 seconds. So if 10 o'clock could continue this price higher, that's what I'll be looking for as well. It's 10 o'clock now. See if we can hold that price. Hold that inversion fair value gap. Some nice displacement right here. Also, you have a breaker. up in there. Let's see if I add a position up to this breaker, what would it be? If we can create a fair value gap right here, and then the next candle trade into the fair value gap, I will enter another position. We did trade down into it though. Okay, I just entered another position off of that breaker right there, and going to move my stop up, my funded too. Okay. Testing this breaker. I would like to see some speed coming out of this very soon. We can get a run above this high, that'd be great. Just move my stuff, go to this one. I ain't gonna lie, scare me a little bit. Scare me a little bit. Like, hold on now. Relax. I do think this is a very good trade though. Like I said in the beginning of the video, we already ran the sell side and we were running lower. So I'm expecting price to reverse rather than keep going lower. And this target is a short time high, so we should be able to reach it. Okay, we getting some nice displacement right there. That's great to see. I don't know, bro. Should I take? I don't want to take because it's like that's gonna be. Let's see what we do here. The only thing that's like is killing me right now is that I know if I do take profit here, I will be up my 6%, then I could just be done for the rest of the week. That does give me like a calm mind to know like, all right, you know what I'm saying? You did what you needed to do for the week, and then you could just relax. How about a partial? Take a partial, bro. Pay yourself. Take a partial. Okay, I just took a partial, and then I will let the other contract run to TP. Stop at break even. See how much I made. Okay, 180 on that one. Cool. I might take this too, I'm not gonna lie. I ain't like my emotions is running super high. And yo, and the thing is like my emotions never really run this high during trades, but my emotions is running super high right now. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me move this because if we inverse this fair value gap, I will take out. Okay, I'm taking out. Okay, y'all, that was. Let me see. Okay, y'all just seen it. That was the trade. So let's see. So I'm gonna do the math and see if we hit our 6% for the week. Give me 1 second. So no, actually, I think we only made 5%. Let me see. I lost 126 yesterday, and then I made 226 today. So yeah, that's gonna be 5%. I couldn't actually end the week off like that though. You know what I'm saying? 5. So that is how you make your money back after losing a 6% week, and that's how I'm able to like be consistent with just trading one. Look, y'all seen it for yourself. The trades is not that much. It's just I'm saying you gotta know how to work around it. But I'm not gonna lie, that trade did have me like kind of stressed out because I'm knowing from here all the way up to here, that's a huge price range. And it's like usually you get those huge price ranges when the day is like supposed to be like that. Like if we coming from like a higher time frame PDRA or like something like that, or like a super heavy news driver. On a day like this run all the way up here without no retracement, like here, it could be kind of like, you know what I'm saying? It could be kind of weird because today is not the easiest day to trade. Like if you look on the hourly chart, it's not really giving you any direction. You know what I'm saying? So when you do take trades like this, you got to be wary of, yo, we can reverse. So that's why once I started getting up here above this high, I was a little bit antsy and everything. Honestly, I wish I did take profits a little bit earlier. So it would give me a little bit more satisfaction knowing that I did hit my 6%. But me just being disciplined and everything like that, I'm not gonna let that, you know what I'm saying? It was just an extra $20. Literally 6% would have been an extra $20, which wouldn't have been, you know what I'm saying, nothing too crazy. But yeah. Y'all seen my account balance starting off the week was at 1,900. And then now we crossed 2K. We are finally at $2,000. You know what I'm saying? No, I say you know what I'm saying. Trading consistently without gambling or anything like that. You know what I'm saying? So y'all seen it right here. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. I feel good about that trade. That was a good trade. I'm gonna just go over the trade one more time for y'all real quick. So I'm gonna go over everything that made me take this trade, right? So I'm using this 1 hour range, right, from high all the way to low. And as you can see inside of this range, we are under 50%, which is a discount. When we are in a discount of a range, I like to be going long because that's what the term buy low buy low, sell high come from? When we are above 50% right here, you seen yesterday I went short. Now that we are below 50% and we are grabbing sell side liquidity, I want to be going long. And then you have to mix it with the fact that you start seeing reversal patterns inside the macro time, which is 950 through 1010. And yeah, so you see 950 right here. We started trading higher. We created for value gap, traded higher, traded above this high right here, shift the market structure. I went long on this down candle, which is your order block. You see we traded down into the order block right there, and then we traded higher. We got a little consolidation right here, traded higher some more, and boom. So that was that. And that's the reason why I went long. I'm saying, let me know what you guys thought about this trade. Honestly, it wasn't the best trade, but it was enough to get us back in profit 5% for the week. And honestly, I think I should be done for the week. If we do have another 8+ setup, I just might, I don't know, but I might, you know what I'm saying? Just because we didn't really hit our full take profit here. So I'm expecting sometime this week we do hit a full TP move. You know what I'm saying? Like usually in a week we would have a good price run. Even though this was a good trade, this is not a good price run. You know what I'm saying? So I'm still expecting something good for this week. But you know what I'm saying, 5%. I can't end it off here. Like I said, the account balance is at 2,000. At the beginning of this week, we was at 1,900, so we won $100, which is 5% of my account. And yeah, that was the GG's. That was a great day. You know what I'm saying? If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like the video, and y'all keep track of this series because we will hit 50K. I am telling y'all, we are going to hit 50K. And yeah, subscribe. Don't miss the journey. Like the video. Comment. Oh yeah. I meant to say, comment if you would rather have me do live trading videos like this, or on my last video I did like a trade recap style. You know what I'm saying? Let me know which one y'all want to see more. Y'all want to see live trading or trade recap? Live trading or trade recap? You know what I'm saying, let me know. And yeah, I'm gonna see you on the next one. Yeah.